Hi everybody, now that we've all officially been ordered to wear face masks outside, we need to get creative. I want mine to go with my outfits, so I chose a pillowcase that I have here at home. Whether you've got standard queen, king pillowcases, basically you're looking for about 19 inches wide. Here you have it, friends. Pillowcase face mask, and it goes really nice with my outfit. See, so these loops are going to go around your ears. It's a little tricky, but you get there. Make sure it's all spread out around your face. And now I'm ready to go walk the dog.